Well, it was really interesting to really understand more about Egyptian history. So a lot of the material going down to see the tomb of Ramesses II, traveling throughout, and then really getting to see the pyramids and the Sphinx. On the one hand, it was a typical tourist time. On the other hand, it was really trying to get to know, talking to scholars and other people I knew, to understand what Egypt is like today. So I wanted to hear the past and the present. What impressed me the most was really the sort of excitement that everybody I talked to, regardless whether they were Egyptian or non-Egyptian, had for the history. As a historian, it's very exciting for me to people to care about their past and to hear people talk to me about this pharaoh versus this tomb. It was really very exciting for me as a historian. The good thing about me is that I'll try everything. So I tried a variety of things from different regional cuisines, and let's just say that it was a great feast. I was really taken by the sort of beauty of the campus, the size of the campus, and the students that I met, their enthusiasm for learning. And then what really impressed me most was talking to the president, talking to many of the faculty, their commitment to education, their commitment, regardless of what their specialty was, their commitment to the students and to the university. And I think that's a very powerful statement, because with that commitment, all things are possible. You know, I was surprised by just how extensive the graphic design program was. I mean, I think the notion that I had of graphic design was kind of narrow. But what struck me is that this was a program that dealt with computers, dealt with technology, as well as very traditional graphic design. And that really struck me as an example of how sort of innovative the university is. That while they have traditional subjects, they're taught in non-traditional ways, there's great innovation, and there's a commitment to sort of making sure that they're creating the right environment for each generation. I think that, for me, what is so important is the power of education. And to see this campus, this new campus, how beautiful it is, seeing how the pride the students take in, it really gives me great faith for the future of Egypt.